Button toolbar is generally a CSS one, right? And here we have the div, and in the class we have btn group. Button toolbar, I will say bg danger. Okay. We have a button group. Button group is defined. In the button group, I am adding some buttons here. I am adding a button. So the button, one button is we have so product info. Okay. And let's keep the class as btn and btn danger. Okay. So that is the product info. And another button, we have a class as btn danger. And here we are defining as the product name, right? So we are defining the product name. That means one is product info, another one is some product summary. Next, we are defining another button with a class as btn danger. And here we are configuring as some preview. So roughly I am designing the interface here. That means we have the 3 button controls here, and these are the 3 options for the buttons. You can see a button toolbar is displayed like this. This is how a button toolbar will come. And these are the buttons. We have product info, summary, and preview. So these are the 3 important. Now inside this product info, so we need to display the relative content here. The product info, product summary, and the product preview. And user have to switch the content according to the requirement. That means user must be watching only one out of these 3, either product info, summary, or preview. User can handle only one out of these 3. So below, I need to create below the button toolbar. So below this button toolbar, I need to create the interface so that will be displayed. Only when the user need it. That means only which one user selected. So let's design a view here. So I will create a simple style here as a margin top, and I will keep some 50 pixel as margin top. Okay. In this div, I am designing the categories to display. So the categories are nothing but 3 important options. So I will design a div. This div will use a class as card. That is a general bootstrap CSS one, right? This is one card, and inside this I need to keep the detail, right? I need to get the information and display the information. So for that, actually this is one. This is for product name or product details and all. We will maintain details. We will maintain details inside our TypeScript and bring them here. So that means let's go to the logic here. And here we are defining some public. So product, and product is an object. It is having name as some Samsung TV. So like this. And we have a price. So some price, right? And we have a description, and here something about Samsung TV, like this. Means some summary about that. So some descriptions we can write. And manufactured, so is a new date. And in that, so some 2020. So Jan, suppose 04 and 10, like this. And we have a preview. So, or simply say photo, and it is in assets/tv.jpg. Already we saw, generally in order to maintain some images for your, here we have assets. We kept some images here. Okay. Now this is the product related details, which we need to display. So let's go to the component design, and here I want the product name, and just I will use a binding expression, product dot name. Okay. So that is the card. Now actually generally card have so many attributes. Directly I will not put here, I will use a div. Inside the card we have a class called card header. In the card header I will keep the name, and I have div and the class as card body, and the card body will contain the other details. So here I am defining, so data list, and here I am adding another detail like price, and price will come. We will display the price as product dot price. Okay, and another one is here I will define manufactured, and data definition is here product dot manufactured. So important is these few details, that is a card style. We are displaying that in a card. So I don't want to show all the details at a time. So user must able to see few, and if he wants, he can get more information about that. So generally what we can do here is initially we designed, and you can see this is the information. I designed a card style here, and generally this we will convert into to date string. So it will convert into the date string and display. Generally you can see that is a card displayed here. Now similarly, this is product info. In the summary, I want to display the description. In the preview, I want to display the photo. So then what I need to do here is, we can design another card. We can design another card here, div, another card. And in that we have a div, and this is card header again. And in the card header, we define here as a summary or description.